Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to address a flickering screen issue on the Galaxy S24. This problem can arise due to various factors such as software glitches, incorrect settings, or even physical damage. The first step to fix this issue is to perform a soft reset. This can clear any temporary software bugs that might be causing the screen to flicker. To do this, press and hold the power and volume down buttons on your Galaxy S24. When the options appear, tap on the restart option and confirm it. Wait for the phone to finish restarting and check if the flickering issue is resolved. If the problem persists, the next step is to manage your phone's display brightness. Adjusting the screen brightness manually can sometimes resolve the flickering issue. Open Settings and tap on Display. Adjust the slider to a lower level, and if the adaptive brightness is enabled, tap on the switch to disable it. Observe your phone closely to see if the problem is fixed. Another solution to try is to reset all settings. Launch Settings. Scroll all the way down, tap General Management, and then tap Reset. Select Reset All Settings, and then tap Reset Settings to proceed. If the problem continues after this, you may need to perform a factory reset. However, before doing so, ensure to back up all your data. If none of these solutions fix the problem, it could be a hardware issue. In this case, you may need to have the device replaced as it's probably a manufacturing defect. We hope this guide can help you. Thank you for watching.